Hey all, welcome back to another video. Today's first question is, for what value of n does 500,000 to the power of 2 times 200,000 to the power of 2 equal 10n? So how do we do this? Well, first of all, we can pull out the square first, and we can get instead, we can turn 500,000 to 5 times 10 to the power of 5, since it has 5 zeros, to the power of 2, times 2 times 10 to the power of 5 to the power of 2, which is 200,000. And we can forget about this part for a second because we still need to get this straightened out before we turn it into 10 to the power of n. So then we can combine these two and pull out the square, and you would get 5 times 10 to the power of 5 times 2 times 10 to the power of 5 squared, where we would again get 5 times 2, which is 10, times 10 to the power of 10, which you would get, 10 to the power of 11, because there's another 10 to the power of 2. So this would equal, if we combine the 11 and the 2, multiplication, 10 to the power of 22. So n equals 22. Moving on to problem number 2. Find the number n such that n times 3 to the power of 4 times 2 to the power of 5 equals 6 to the power of 6. Well, first of all, we can make these terms combine by first of all creating times 3 to the power of 4 times 2 to the power of 5. So we could take out 1, 2. So we get 3 to the power of 4 times 2 to the power of 4 times 2 equals 6 to the power of 6. Whereas you would get 3 to the power of 4 times 2 to the power of 4, which would get 6 to the power of 4 times 2 equals 6 to the power of 6. And then we could move the 6 to the power of 4 over, turning into a divide 6 to the power of 4, and 6 to the power of 4, which is 2. So it would equal 6 to the power of 2. So if 2n, 6 to the power of 2 you can now solve, 6 times 6, 36. If 2n equals 36, then n would equal 18. So n equals 18. Moving on to problem number 3. What is the positive integer n for which 22 to the power of 2 times 55 to the power of 2 equals 10 to the power of 2 times n to the power of 2? Well, you can solve this in many different ways, but the way I like doing it is we can split 22 to the power of 2 into 2 to the power of 2 times 11 to the power of 2. So 2 to the power of 2 times 11 to the power of 2 times 55 to the power of 2 can be split into 5 to the power of 2 times 11 to the power of 2 as well, which still equal 10 to the power of 2 times n to the power of 2. So then we can combine like terms. We would get 10 to the power of 2 times 11 to the power of 2 times 11 to the power of 2. So we get 11 to the power of 4. It's 10 to the power of 2 times n to the power of 2. Then we could even these two out. So we would get 11 to the power of 4 equals n to the power of 2. And now we need to convert 11 to the power of 4 into a number to the power of 2. So this would equal 11 to the power of 2. Power of 2 would equal n to the power of 2, which means that it would be 121 to the power of 2 would equal n to the power of 2. I'm writing out all the steps. So that means that n equals 121. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys learned something new and I hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!